They're all the birds that I traced. There's vultures, eagles, hawks, and a kite in kestrels. I'm going to show you them all right now. A turkey vulture.
Cool.
A Mississippi kite. A turkey. A merlin. A golden eagle.
HUD's favorite.
Yep. Prairie falcon. Peregrine falcon. Black vulture. Cooper's hawk.
Let me get a good picture of them.
American kestrel.
That's my favorite.
American crow. Red-shouldered hawk. The red shoulder right here.
Oh, yeah, we see the red shoulder.
Sharp-shinned hawk. Just like a Cooper's hawk, just it has lines. See the difference?
Yeah.
And Cooper's hawk is just a little bit bigger. Northern rough-legged hawk. Well,
does he have a rough leg?
I guess. They have big legs. Or feet. It's not really northern, I just thought it was. Northern harrier.
Oh, can I see that one a little? Okay. Cool.
There's two more. A ferruginous hawk. A Swainson's hawk. And that's all.
Good job.
I have a lot more birds.
I'll just eat
At home.
I'll just
At home,
eat
yeah.
That
I
is
have like 100 and
pretty cool, HUD.
I'll just eat it.